Hey beauties! Today, we're going to learn how to do amazing Korean-style makeup. I'll show you all the secrets of Korean makeup step by step. Korean girls all look so similar to each other, don't they? Once you try Korean makeup, it'll become addictive, and you'll always want to do it that way. I always say, based on what I've seen in videos, it's the only makeup that completely transforms you. The must-have in Korean makeup is eye makeup. They've developed their own unique style of eye makeup, and this style is loved worldwide. It's mainly about big eyes, shimmery eyeshadow, super thin eyeliner, and creating that under-eye puffiness with makeup, which makes the gaze so captivating. Do you agree with me? If you've noticed, in this style, girls look like cute, innocent little girls. I don't always do this makeup, but sometimes I try it after watching videos. And that day, everyone says I look beautiful and different. While watching this video, check out how different you look. To all the beautiful viewers watching my video, where are you watching from? Write in the comments, and I'll send my love to that country. Wow, I never expected this result. It's amazing. Now, let's get back to the topic. After watching this video, if you try Korean makeup and get compliments on how different you look, let me know your thoughts. In this video, I've shared not just eye makeup, but the entire face makeup. I think you'll notice, as you watch, that the key secret is in the Korean makeup products they use on their faces, because each one blends into the skin so beautifully without creating a cakey look. Also, they use lots of blush. Like I mentioned earlier, it gives them that cute little girl look with rosy cheeks, big eyes, flushed cheeks, and naturally plump lips. Here's a key point. You only apply a lot of blush and highlighter for the eyes sparkle. If you're thinking, my skin is problematic and I don't think this makeup will stay flawless on me, I've shared Korean-style skincare routines on my page. If you have skin issues, you can benefit from the masks I've posted. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed it. You can share your feelings by liking my video, subscribing to my page, and leaving a comment. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. When you subscribe, let me know in the comments, and I'll send you friendship. Take care, beauties. If you have video requests, just leave a comment and I'll share them with you.